Alright guys, good evening. If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan. I'm on a quest to visit every Amtrak station in America. This week it brings me to Mobile, Alabama. I'm here at the Mobile, Alabama station, which is fairly new. Mobile's not new to the system, it's just back. After all those years after Hurricane Katrina, the Mardi Gras line between Mobile and New Orleans has been restored, and we're here to take you on a tour of the station, show you everything that this station has to offer. Some of this footage is going to be filmed right now tonight. It's nightfall, the sun's going down, but I'm going to be back here bright and early at 6:30 in the morning to catch a train, so I'm going to include some of that footage as well. There will be all sorts of videos on our channel, so stay tuned for all those, anything Mardi Gras related. So come along with me, let's go walk around the station, let's go make some memories. So we've got some stuff here. Welcome to Mobile. Amtrak exclusive discount on port tours. Use promo code Amtrak for the Perdido Queen. Cruises start at $33, so you can get 15% off. That's kind of cool. So this parking lot that you do see here, it's a big giant parking lot that's here in downtown Mobile. It's zone 3555 Park Mobile, contactless parking payments. Ways to pay, they have a Park Mobile app. Text Park to 77223. No smartphone, need help. Okay, so they have options. So when we get parked, we'll have to figure that all out. So let's see. They've got the whole thing blocked off, so I can't go up. They've got it all chained off the station, so I can't even get up there. They've got somebody out here watching it. So I'm gonna have to film some of this later or tomorrow. But here's your platform. Looking that way. And looking that way. So there's not really much that I can see. See, they've got over here, they've got designated boarding area. Wait here for your boarding announcement. Do not enter restricted area. So that's where this starts right here. Here's the old Mobile sign. And then this station has just been built recently. And then the building that you see back here behind it, it's kind of hard to see. I'm trying to see if I can get good views of stuff here. The building that you see kind of back behind here, if I focus, that building that you see right up there, that's the cruise terminal. We actually just saw a Carnival cruise that was leaving from Mobile. We just saw it just a little bit before we got here. I didn't catch it on camera though. So kind of let me show you what the area looks like over here. We've got, this is literally the exit for Water Street coming off of Interstate 10. And you can see the on-ramps right there for 10. So this is Water Street, and you see the old buildings. You see the skyscrapers that you always see from the sky up there. Those are there as well. There's rumors that they're gonna move this station, potentially. This is only temporary, that they may end up moving the station further down this way. We'll see. But see, it says no free parking at any time. Remember your license plate number. Otherwise, they will tow you. They're warning you right there, 15 bucks to park. I mean, it's a good thing that they do it, for sure. Let's see what else we can see. I saw the wheelchair lift. The famous Amtrak wheelchair lift. You see it out on the platform. Right there. Now see, you can walk straight here and go up these steps. This right here is the end of the line for, this is where the Amtrak pulls in, is here on this auxiliary line, the spur. I don't know what this building is up here. I'm not sure what the names of even these bigger buildings are. I've seen them for years from Interstate 10 every time I drive this way, but I've never really stopped in Mobile. So at least now I'm gonna be here this time to check things out. All right, good morning. Remember when I told you guys I'd be back in the morning to ride the train? The Amtrak Mardi Gras is here. We're ready to go hop on board. Train leaves at 6:30 a.m. We're here, it's about 10 after 6. We're gonna show you what else there is here at the station, because if you look, the gates are down now, so now I have access to be able to show you the platform and everything else that comes along with it. Welcome to Mobile. So you see, this is the platform. It's completely brand new, made out of what feels like aluminum, looks like aluminum. Here's our wheelchair lift. As you can see, they're loading everybody into one car. She said business class is right here, I guess, I don't know. So it looks like there's empty cars, but she told everybody to go down to the left. But here's our view from the platform. Ramp to I-10 over there, downtown, buildings, and the actual train itself here. Coach class, That's the cafe car here. This one's the cafe car. So this is going to wrap up our quick visit here to the Amtrak station in Mobile, Alabama. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you haven't yet seen any of our Mardi Gras Amtrak route videos, if that makes any sense, that was a mouthful. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a video. We've got new Amtrak content at least once a week, every single week. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.